Today, we are gonna do an extremely different video than the regular ones. We will learn the market sentiment very quickly before taking trades. Furthermore, we will try to understand if we are on a weak or a strong day. This will help us a lot with momentum trading. If you are ready, let's do this. As you already know from the masterclass, what we try to do is actually a very simple strategy. We try to identify momentum imbalance to take trades and find ourselves in the overall entry zone. If we can find an additional support and resistance flip area, this will improve our trading ideas. Then the rest is looking for a low time frame market structure break with a nice imbalance or a masterclass rally strategy. We try to take around 2 trades. We get in and get out, targeting the closest liquidity areas above. This is perfect up until now. However, on a weak market day, what happens? It feels like our trade is working for a while. Then a sudden crash follows it and we stop out. I'm sure that you experience this a lot. So, why our strategy works great some days and not every single day? How can we quickly understand we are in a strong or a weak market day? Remember, if you are a momentum or trend trader, you will need power to trade, a strong power to get the trade running. So, our first trick is quick correlation check. It is an extremely simple idea. You already remember the totals from the masterclass. On a strong day, I want the totals to be on the positive side as much as they can. Then I have 3 major coins to understand: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I also want them to be positive on a strong day. And finally, as you remember, the USDT dominance is a negative correlation from the masterclass. You can also add the dollar index as well if you wish. I want them to be negative that day. On the other hand, a weak day is the exact opposite of what we try to do. Totals negative, major coins negative, opposite indexes are positive. So, all you need to do is put all these coins into your list right above the altcoin list. As you can see right now today, totals are negative, around minus 1%. Major coins are also negative, around minus 1% as well. And the USDT dominance, which is the negative correlation, is positive, around plus 1%. So, what does this indicate to me? It means that today is overall a weak day. Sellers are more dominant than the buyers today. Let's talk about the second trick, the altcoin check. As you know, there are over 200 altcoins to trade every single day. When I quickly check these coins, if the majority of the coins are positive, then we have a strong buyer attention today, which is great for momentum trading. But if the 80-90% of coins are negative, then it is a red flag. Sellers are much more dominant compared to buyers. This is an extremely simple trick, but works great. For example, this is my altcoin list. I have over 200 coin futures in this list. Right at the moment, I have only like 14 coins in the positive side. But if you scroll down all the list, you'll notice that we have over 200 coins in the negative side. This alone tells me so much. I get this weak vibe from the coins. Sellers are much more powerful compared to buyers today. Third trick is the power shift. Remember, buyers and sellers always cycle. None of them can be dominant to each other forever. They are like yin-yang balancing the power. Right in the middle of the negative and positive coins, that is the midpoint. So, if you notice that the number of negative coins is rapidly increasing, it may mean that the sellers are gaining more power and start to dominating the buyers. However, if the opposite happens, the number of positive coins start to increase, it may mean that buyers are gaining power and start to dominating the sellers. For example, this is my altcoin list again. You can see the midpoint coins with around 0% gain, which is not negative or positive. The area stuck between buyers and sellers. Remember, we had only 14 coins positive today. But you just started to notice that this number is increasing. Maybe 20 coins started to become more positive, or 30 coins become positive compared to this morning. It means that a weak day can turn to a strong day slowly. Remember, this may happen in the same day. Or you just notice the opposite happening. The number of the negative coins keep increasing. Then a strong day can turn into a weak day. This is an endless cycle. This is a very easy trick to see if there is a power shift. My final trick is the global markets. Remember, all markets and all the money connected each other in the world. You will generally notice that they act together in the strong days. Stocks, gold, coins. Or they tend to crash together. Stocks, metals, and coins. Now, this is not a very effective sign for crypto trading. However, I wanted to point this out. As you can see here in the list, S&P 500 and Nasdaq are crashing today. They are not alone. Gold and silver are also crashing. And this money movement also affects the coins, as you can see. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana is also crashing. All these give ideas about if the day is strong or weak. So, at the end, how to set up a good list to see everything is happening in one single layout. You can see the tickers here. This is my usual list to trade nowadays. I try to update you with my changes as soon as possible. I have the totals. I have the world, mostly stocks and gold. I have the major coins to quickly check out. I have negative indexes, which is USDT dominance and dollar index. And at the bottom, we have our usual coin futures list, which has over 200 coins. This is all the list to understand if we are on a weak or a strong day. Okay, let's remember again. Yin and yang, buyers and sellers, weekday or strong day. Market always cycles between these. One side cannot be dominant to other side forever. Both sides need each other to exist. Also remember this very well. Market can shift on the same day. You woke up now, made a cup of coffee, opened the charts, and the whole world is crashing. You went for a walk and got back 2 hours later, and the entire world may be rallying. No one knows what will happen. Personally, I enjoy taking long trades when I trade momentum-based strategies. It is my preference, nothing special. So on a weekday, it is best to look for short trades. Just fill up everything you have learned in the masterclass. That's it. Of course, you can still take long trades on the weekdays if the setup is so good. But remember, you have the lower chance of winning the trade. So in the strong days, our best trades happen. Trades run much easier and rallies are very quick. In the end, momentum coins can act very independently. I've seen a coin rally 60% while the entire world was crashing. When it comes to trading, no one knows the future. Anything can happen in any moment. Okay friends, very educational video for you. You may need to watch this video 3 or 4 times and take notes. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.